Hey guys, so I got the gym done. Took me a little while, but I got it done. The main reason I got it is for these right here, for my back issues. They're anti-gravity boots, so you can hang upside down and release the pressure off your back. Being 6'6", you got little issues with your back. But that's not the reason why I am making this video. I'm making this video because we got a new dog today. Or yesterday. Here's Milo. And here is the new one.
He's so cute.
So, the funny thing about that dog is that his eyes are really weird looking. So we call his name is Spooky because he makes eye contact with you. It's really weird.
What are you doing, buddy? Say hi, Spooky. Spooky. Spooky.
See, he knows it.
Spooky. Look, Spooky. Look.
Light brown eyes. Beautiful dog. So we're trying him out for 30 days. Got it from the shelter, saved him. So hopefully it'll work out. He hasn't crapped my house yet, but we'll see. Later.